All right, guys, this is it. This is. I can't believe I'm actually doing an unboxing. I finally received it. I finally bought it, got it, and I think it's time. Let's do an unboxing on the Panasonic LUMIX G7 digital camera. Yes, yes, it's finally here. I've been talking about this for a while, so we're gonna do an unboxing on this. So let's check it out. Back again with another tech video. We have officially got it. We officially got the Panasonic LUMIX G7 4K camera. Yes, 4K or 1080p, 60 FPS, 4K, 30 FPS. So I have it. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I will do the camera shot down below. So I'll probably start filming my videos with my new camera. So the setup might be a little different. I'm going to find some ways and stuff. But guys, I want you guys let me know in the comments in the future what you guys think and stuff. So yeah, let's get into this. All right, so I'm going to do a camera shot this way, and then we're going to get the product. All right, so this might be kind of bright. I figure I'd do a white mouse pad because if I have black, it will move the contrast. So I did get the bundle. If you guys want to know, I got the Panasonic camera bundle with all the accessories and everything for about 600 bucks. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it in the description below where you guys want to buy it. So this is kind of big, and my camera's kind of like, let's go up a little bit. It's kind of big and puffy. This is the backpack that came with it. So let's open it up. This is a large size. Got all this stuff in here we could take out, all that goodies. So we'll definitely oh, okay, man, I thought maybe it had like got all this crap in it. We just take it all out. So basically this is the backpack. Here, let's do a camera shot this way. All right, so this is the backpack I actually got. So it's actually pretty nice. This is where I'm going to put all my equipment, my camera in, if I travel or go somewhere. So this would just be specifically for my camera equipment. This is actually my first camera, DSLR camera I have ever purchased, ever got. I don't know. I know a little bit about it, but I'm not no expert. So my friend Ricky Arnold, YouTuber friend, is gonna help me get it all fixed up. It's a regular backpack just to put your equipment in there. I think that's pretty neat. I mean, it's pretty nice. But that's not what we're looking at. That's not what we're wanting to see. We want to see the accessories. So let's see. First it comes in with this. I don't even know what this is, honestly. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, this is the battery. So let's move back down. All right, so it comes with the battery. Let's take it out of here so you guys can hear that. So this is the 7.2 volt battery actually got. So I'm gonna need that. I'm excited because we're gonna definitely need a battery. So we'll put that over there. Just a regular, 1400 milliamps, so just a regular battery. I just probably need one for now. And then it comes with Extreme Pro scan disc, up to 95 speed, so it's good, 32 megabytes, also 4K. So you want to make sure this is you want to make sure you get the right one. So now the thing is, for my computer, I don't have a thing to put in SIM cards or anything like that, but I heard you can just plug the wire into your computer with the camera and boom. So this would be good like a travel thing to go. So this is pretty cool. I figured I'd get the whole package because it'd be cheaper and better than just receiving just the camera for 500 bucks. For another 100 bucks, I got you know, the mic and everything. So they do give you this little focus 12-inch tripod. I already have one. I have a real nice one, but it's always good to have another one. Sorry about the noise. Let me, there, we edited that part out. Oh, wow, this is really nice. This is actually really, this is really heavy duty. Nice rubbered. Yeah, this is actually going to be pretty good. So, I could bend it, keep it straight, whatever. So, it's got a nice grip feel, so I can put my camera on it. I like that. So, that's what it comes with it. So, that's cool. The biggest thing is the camera and this. Now, we're saving the camera for last, of course. So, I did get the Rode mic. Let's move this up a little more. So, I got the Rode mic right here. You guys can kind of see. I mean, honestly, it was like 40 bucks, so I'm gonna just get the whole package. Let's open it up. And honestly, if you guys want to know, I did use my webcam for a long time in my Blue Yeti. And I still might use it once in a while, but I'm definitely going to be using this a lot, my camera. So yeah, so here it is right here. I'm sorry, I'm just going super fast because I'm just, you know, it's like Christmas over here, so. I just tear that, I don't. Now this is gonna go on the mic because the reason I wanted to get this, because the microphone actually on the camera is not very good. So this will actually really sound really good. Really, a piece of hair. So pretty much you just plug this in here and just plug this into the camera, and I mean that's about it. I've seen so many videos on this camera because I've been actually spying on this camera for a while. So now here it comes. Here it is, right guys. This is it. DMC G7K 4K. Oh, this camera is probably the best camera to start out as a YouTuber, filmmaker, whatever. LUMIX G. So let's read the specs. So it's got basically it's got 16 megapixels, full HD 1920 by 1080p. Some of this stuff I'm not really like, I don't know this stuff. So low light AF, that's what I want. Touchscreen 4K, built-in flash, wireless. It's got everything. I mean, there's more to it, but I don't really know too much about cameras. This is like my first camera, so HDMI, of course. So let's check it out, man. There's like a big booklet and CDs and stuff and how to work it, how to operate it, but I don't need that because I kind of know how to work the camera already from the videos I've been watching. So this is the wire, probably used to transfer data, I'm assuming. So yeah, so this will be the plug this into the camera, into the computer. So I probably won't need the SIM card. I am going to try a video in 4K. I am going to be, I probably won't be doing 4K all the time, but we'll see. The wire is super short. That's kind of a disappointment because, yeah. But I mean, if I just put the camera over here and just, you know, boom, I guess it's okay. It'll work for now. But you could pretty much use any other one. Okay, so it does come with another battery. That is awesome because I'm definitely going to be needing lots of batteries, from what I heard. I mean, if you guys know things about it, I really don't know. Hit the comments down below and let me know because, yeah, this is another battery pack. So that's going to be really good. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay, this makes sense. This is probably the thing to charge your batteries. Yep. So I'll plug this into the outlet and you can charge your battery. So I'm not sure what the battery life is on my batteries right now. So we'll have to check that out. Let's see. We'll thing so you can put it around you so you don't like drop your let's see. Come on. Thing for the camera. So okay, so that's pretty cool. Just in case you don't want to drop it or anything. So like a little lanyard thing to hold it. LUMIX G. Cool. I mean, this is awesome. This is like, all right, here's the lens. I don't know anything about lenses or anything, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of homework. Not sure what this is for. Like I said, got a lot to learn. And then I got the actual lens. There it is right there. Ooh, man. It's like butter. All right, so pretty much, I guess, you know, goes like that. We'll figure it out. Definitely figure it out. Now you guys want to find the beast. There's the beast right there. I thought it'd be a lot bigger than this. Wow, this is a small camera. Really? How did they make it look bigger? That's the reason I was this is the reason why I wanted this camera, because of this. Awesome. This camera is really small. For some reason it looks bigger on like on video. For some reason it just looks, I didn't realize it was this small. This is freaking tiny, dude. So this would be good for me making videos. Or, you know, like vlogging, but I won't be vlogging. Put the battery there, tripod there. Say, I kind of watched a few videos. See how I put the battery in. Just like that. I'll figure it out. Got this little rattle right here, but... And then the microphone... I assume you slide this off. It's the camera lens. Microphone better. All right, there we go, guys. Ooh, sexy. Man. So pretty much, just start filming. The cool part is, like I said, the screen pops out. I could turn it, rotate it. Yeah. Just do all kinds of good stuff with this. Shoot 4K. So yeah, so let's turn it on and see what we do. I don't even know. All right, there it is. Ooh, buttery smooth. Ooh, look at this. Oh no, the battery's almost dead. Oh no, we got 2 bars. So it's like touchscreen. So pretty much I could just, here, let me put it back so you guys can kind of see it. Touchscreen, let's see. Please set the language. So language set, bam. My English. Please set the clock. What time is it? It's 5:08. Yes, no memory card. So it does say no memory card because there's no memory card in it. But I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. I don't know if I could record. Oh, dude, that looks buttery smooth. Like, we're going to have to figure out this camera. So, I'm going to turn it off. We're going to do another video on this. I just want to do a little unboxing on this. I'll have to figure out all the nooks and crannies and stuff and the specs and how to, like... I guess you just slide this on. I don't even know how to, like... Okay, so this is the little piece that goes out. Man, there's so many little pieces and... Oh, yeah. Look at that. This tab up. The only thing is the tab's kind of in the way. So... Plug this in. Actually, we'll just... yeah. There it is, guys. Josh's camera. Alright, so here it is. Oh, put the microphone down. Here's the camera, guys. Gonna be doing some video on this. The next video I'm gonna be shooting, I'm gonna try it out. Do some B-roll maybe. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and like I said, we're going places. Now we got this. This is a big improvement, big change. I am gonna get like a slider so I can start doing some good B-roll. I'm gonna start using the camera. Yeah, so I'm excited. Gotta learn it. So what does this do? Oh, I know what that does. So here it is, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like I said, and subscribe. I think I already said that. And if you guys want to check out my tech playlist down below, I'll put it down below, all my tech stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of more tech videos now that I have this, because honestly, I was using my cell phone. The grain, cell phones aren't good to use. They're good for like outside lighting, but inside, this is the best camera. I've been looking up on YouTube and watching these videos on this. Yeah, so you will see a lot of videos with this camera. So, all right, guys. Thanks, guys. Hopefully the next video will be a 4K. I will put a little thing next to it as if it's 4K. I'll put 4K so I kind of know what videos are 4K. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I'll check you guys later.